Hey guys, today I want to talk about the Baileigh finger brake. Built to offer years of service, the BB4812 is one of the most powerful manual finger brakes on the market. With its thick steel plate construction, it's 4 feet long and just under 2,000 pounds, so it's perfect for tight spaces. But don't think that you're sacrificing anything for this small, powerful machine. This machine bends up to 12 gauge mild steel. It includes 11 hardened and polished 3-piece fingers of varying lengths, so you can make many different box sizes. And with up to a 6-inch box depth, it's one of the largest on the market. Heavy counterweights assist you with bending thick sheet metal, which is a relief for operators who frequently use the brake for extended periods of time. It has a massive torsion system as well, connected to the steel beam and leaf, so the beam will never twist at maximum capacity. If you're ready for the most powerful manual finger brake on the market, then head over to PennToolCo.com and get your Baileigh finger brake BB4812 today.